Well, Flying Horse Farms is a camp like any other. You know, there's canoeing, there's ropes course, archery, but unlike other camps, this is a magical place where kids with serious illness can escape and just be kids.
I was so excited to come. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to meet a bunch of people who have transplants and have heart problems, and my scar isn't going to matter. How many medications I take isn't going to matter. Everyone's just going to want to be friends. It was just so much fun meeting all the people who are just like me, and nobody was like left out because of something different.
Zoe spent 6 months in the hospital waiting for surgery when she was only 6 years old.
In the hospital, it was very emotional. I got really upset. I couldn't go home. It was just really sad because I couldn't do anything, and I was waiting for the heart, and they put me into a medical induced coma for a while to wait for the heart because I couldn't function. I couldn't drink water. I just couldn't do things that a normal child could.
She quickly made lifelong friends known as Sparkle 5 at camp. And something else happened too.
It made me become more open about my illness. It made me like go to school and I'd be like, oh yeah, like I had a heart transplant. And it's like totally normal to talk about. Like I forget that I had a heart transplant. I feel like totally normal when I'm here. I just feel like our illnesses don't define us, don't make us different from others. We're all friends and we're all human.
Those friendships continued through the years of camp and beyond, and that was never felt more than when tragedy struck the group.
Sarah had been diagnosed with cancer a year after camp.
Not long after, she passed away, and when Zoe arrived to say her final goodbye, she was surprised to find the rest of her camp friends there too.
Like it made it feel like we were all there and we could all just cry together. Me and the camp kids, we are so much closer, and we just trust each other with everything.
And it is really special to think about the bonds that are started at these camps. And these kids have serious illness, and sometimes the campers do pass away. They have a ceremony to remember those campers, but they don't try to make it a focus because this is a really happy place. But talking to Zoe, she said that she could feel her friend all around her, and the warmth that is there is just tremendous.
Yeah, Sally, these kids have to grow up too quickly sometimes with that part of it. But again, I'm glad they have all these other kids around them,
gosh, yes.
all the happiness and joy that it's shown throughout that camp. But yes, it's real life as well. I understand.
Yeah, it definitely is. But just a very special place here in Central
It really
Ohio.
is, man.